Hi, my name is Cam F. Awesome. I'm a multi-time national champion heavyweight Olympic boxer. I'm a diversity consultant as well as a motivational speaker. You might recognize me from the documentary Counterpunch on Netflix, which showcased my story of resilience as I chased my Olympic dreams. I've since put down my gloves and picked up a microphone to share the story of resilience and the exposure I've learned from connecting with different cultures around the world. As a youth speaker and diversity consultant, I engage audiences with storytelling and interactive exercises, sharing personal life experiences which include traveling to more than 30 countries as captain of the USA national boxing team. Students need to be engaged, not lectured to, and they also need to be entertained. My style of speaking is similar to my style of boxing.
You box crazy, but you win.
I share lessons I've learned from boxing, such as hard work, resilience, exposure, and uplifting one another. Anyone can speak at a school, but if the students aren't engaged, then the message is lost.
Cam really engages them more by bringing students on stage.
And he's definitely a pro at keeping the kids engaged.
It was engaging, it was funny. He had the crowd going.
He was energetic, positive, and gave kids a lot to think about.
And it's just been an awesome experience.
And speaking with and relating to our students.
It makes all the difference. It really brings home the message that he's trying to pass on to the students.
As a performer and a motivational speaker, I'm able to use humor to connect with students. My unique experiences, alongside my background as a stand-up comic, allows me to keep audiences of students captivated for over an hour. I also lead professional development workshops, helping create better multicultural educators. I'd love to visit your school to lead an assembly or even a professional development workshop for your educators. Book me now at camfawesome.com.